We are here with Marcel Gayle of Waterhouse, the Waterhouse head coach. 1-1 tie with Mount Pleasant at Drax, the first game for the season on grass. What do you make of your team performance and the overall game?
I mean, it was a good performance on my team. I thought we played well, we suffered the pressure. That was the game plan anyway. But I think we lapsed in concentration when that goal scored. I think that's the only time Mount Pleasant broke us. But nevertheless, we get ourselves together and we start to play. I mean, for the second half we come out and we go at them.
Right. We also noticed that Benbow has been starting a few games, but in this particular game against a team that he was a part of, he came on and really had an impact, coming on, won several free kicks. Was that a part of the strategy coming into the game, or you just went along as things panned out in the game?
That's why you are a blogger, because that's a good observation. That was the plan. That was the plan from day one. Just like boxing, we made the More Pleasant tired. And we know that in the last 25 minutes, we know we're gonna take over the game because we just didn't want to concede a second goal, which we didn't. And we know that for the last 25 minutes, we're in a better condition to finish the game.
Yeah, two good goals also scored. I think DeAndre scored a brilliant goal coming from the.
Alan Ati.
Huh?
Ati scored for.
No man, for your team.
No, he's not DeAndre. It's Denardo Thomas.
Denardo Thomas, right? Denardo scored. I mean, very good one-time kick and thing. Is that something you work on in terms of winning the second balls and from the free kicks and from the corner kicks? Because I realize that most of the second balls today from set plays, Waterhouse actually got them.
All right, so we were low press in the first half. That was by design. As I said, we were soaking under pressure. So second half, we pressed the eye, we shoot the eye line a little bit, so we stifle more Pleasant, and we force them in turnover and it ends it up, and we get multiple opportunity from it. But we just not sticking it to them.
Yeah. I mean, what is the plan going ahead now? This is week 7. You're still in second place. A couple of teams down the whole end could pass you with a win. I mean, are you concerned about that this is the first round, or are you achieving what you set out to do for the first round because a longer season?
Most definitely. We are here. We are where we want to be at this present time. We don't worry about the standing really, because if we get it right, at the end of the day, we're gonna cause trouble.
Yeah, man. Want to say a big thank you to you again. I mean, I know you'd have preferred to get the 3 points, but you're going home with 1. Is that again? Did you lose 2 points? Or did you gain a point?
The Lord is good to us. We are grateful for what we get. I mean, we could have lost all 3, and we get a point from the game. So we are grateful.
Yeah, man. All right, thank you, Coach Gayle. Safe trip back to Kingston. All the best for the rest of the season and for your next game.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, everyone.